What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. Alright guys, so are you looking for a way to remove all of those stubborn belly fat, or you're actually very fat, you want to reduce, or the fat around that waist is too stubborn that it's actually not going away? Well, look no more guys, because this home remedy and this salt water is going to flush out all of those belly fat and your tummy is going to be very flat. Alright, so if you want to know what it all comprises, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Drop your curious questions on my website. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. For belly fat, we're going to be needing sea salt guys. Okay, so you have to and must get a salt that does not contain iodine in it. Okay, sea salt helps so much in flushing out belly fat, and it also helps to cleanse the colon. Okay, so we're going to be needing sea salt. We're going to be also needing some lemon for this, and for this you're going to also be needing the lemon zest, which is actually the back of the lemon. Okay, my nails and this lemon is actually okay. All right, and also we're going to be needing some apple cider vinegar for this, which is actually going to be very perfect. Okay, because it helps to get rid of belly fat and it flushes out the stubborn fat from the body. All right, and then this is optional guys. You're going to be needing a little bit of sugar cane, and in this sugar cane you're going to be needing the juice. Now you can either use sugar cane or you can use honey. Any of the ones you can lay your hand on, you use it. But if you use sugar cane, it's definitely going to make you not want to eat. Okay, so that's actually the benefit of using sugar cane. All right, so you're gonna be needing a pot. Okay, then you're going to be needing 1 full tablespoon of the iodine, non-iodine sea salt. You're going to put it inside the pot. Okay, now what you're going to do is to cut in the lemon. All right, so what I'm going to do is to cut in the lemon. Alright, so after that is done, then you're going to transfer the lemon into the pot. Now for 1 tablespoon of non-iodine salt, you're going to be needing 3 glasses of water. So this is the second one, and this is the third one. Okay, now you have to put in 3 glasses of water for 1 table of salt. Now after that is done, we're going to cook this particular one. We're not going to be putting the remaining ingredients yet. Okay, so let's go and cook this and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've actually kept it for you to cool. Now the next thing you're going to do is to first of all stir it. Okay, you can actually also stir it when you're boiling it, but if you don't want to do that, you can also stir it when you're done boiling, just like this. Alright guys, so now we're in the kitchen and I'm going to be boiling this for like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now you have to boil till the zest of the lemon changes its color, and when it does that, now that liquid stuff that is inside of the lemon zest will be induced inside of the water. That's basically why we have to boil it, so we can have the full benefits. All right, so after keeping it to cool, then you would have to sieve it out. Okay, so I'm gonna be sieving it out using this very small tiny strainer, and basically that's how it's gonna be looking like. All right, so for this particular one, you can actually leave it and store it in your fridge for some days. Then you can still pour water and put a little bit of sea salt, and then you would cook it and strain it out. Okay, so what we're gonna do is sugar cane, and now I'm also going to be sieving it into this. So I'm going to be taking some of the sugar cane, going to be pressing that into the tea. Okay, so but if you don't want to use sugar cane, which I highly recommend you use sugar cane, you can also use honey. Now after that is done, then we're going to be putting in the apple cider vinegar. Make sure you put in the apple cider vinegar that contains the mother in it, which is organic, raw and unfiltered. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into 1 full glass of this. Okay, all right, so when you take this, guys, all of your belly fat is gonna go away. All right, so then you have to stir it. Okay, now for this particular belly fat reduction tea, you have to take it just 3 times in a week. Okay, so it's not something you have to take every day. Okay, let me have a taste and tell you guys how it does taste. So this is it. I've actually like taken so much. Okay guys, so the thing is that it tastes really slappy. Now because of the lemon, it tastes really slappy, like it's so super slappy, guys, but it's just slappy. It is not bad, and it tastes a little bit of, it's just as if you've actually seasoned up your tea with some salt. The salt is not too much. Okay, it's going to be healthy, but of course you have to use salt that does not contain iodine, and you have to use plenty of water. Okay, so for this belly fat reduction, you have to take it 3 times in a week, guys. Only 3 times in a week. Don't take it too much. It's not something you have to take every day. That is because of the salt, but nonetheless it is very okay. And all of your belly fat, that's it. Drink it just the way I've actually instructed you in this video. I mean, you are not going to have any regrets. Okay, it's going to flush out all of those stubborn fat. It's going to flush out all of those weight, and you are going to be sweet 16. All right, if you have a 38 waistline before, you're going to be aiming for 24 waistline. It is very possible. Okay, so if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay tuned and bye guys. Mwah.